Guys, then I show you how to use Chub AI. Before you continue, don't forget to subscribe for more Chub AI tutorials. So log into Chub AI account and select the character that you want to work with. For example, I'm going to select this one and click on it. Now, click on chat with arrow key. You can also download the character. So here you have a private chat with Arky. So you can tell I want to just, for example, this story, and here chatting with the specific character of Chub AI here. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.